Maggie here.
And Kay's behind the camera.
And we've got another little album. MaryAnn's been on a roll, hasn't she? She's been...
she had August off and she's crafted all the way through it.
I'll just make albums every day of August. So it's August albums. There we are.
Perfect.
So she's done a landscape album this time, and she's used the collection, I can't remember what it was called.
Oh, it's a farmhouse one, farmyardy one.
Yeah, was it farm? It wasn't Farmhouse and Flora, but it was.
I can't remember. I've used it.
I'll find it and then I'll give it to Kate.
I did our see-through album with it. And
yes, you did.
And I got the more I worked with it, the more I liked it. Actually.
Yeah. So she's used the pen round the edge. I just said to Kate, I said, it's just. We knew it had a really nice finish, but it just looks so professional, doesn't it?
It does.
And then you've got your wider architrabe for the spine. So MaryAnn does what I do quite a lot of the time. She uses the front cover of your paper pad to add as decoration, so you get more use out of your papers. So she cuts them out and pops them on the front or on other pages. And that's, can you see that spine okay?
It's upside down, yes.
How's that? Is that better?
That's better.
Okay, well, and then that's the back. Right, that is the cover, front cover of the Patterns and Solids pad that she's used.
It's really effective.
It's very effective.
Yeah, you pay enough for the paper, you might as well use as much as you can.
Yes. Okay, so we're opening up. So you've got a tuck spot.
That's it, you can see that's it, dead centre.
There. Okay, and then I'm going to move along here. So we've got our swivels, and these are the mini walrus whiskers.
They are walrus whiskers, well done.
And we've got those back in stock, haven't we?
Yeah.
And then on here, oh look, these look so smart, don't they?
They do, they look really
these
smart.
Are the clever strip.
I'm going to try and zoom in.
Yeah, let me see if I've got a piece of
the other way round.
Thing that will just show it.
Oh,
I was looking for
that's not.
Hold on, is that clean? Ah, that's clean. Okay, right, you can see.
I'm not quite sure if you can see.
Can you see? Yeah, you can.
That's as far as zoomed in as I can get.
Because it folds over and it's symmetry for the other side, so the holes are all in the same place. But it's a really nice thick finish. It's just like a luxurious finish, really.
It does. Yeah, it's just it's one of those things that make all the difference.
Yes, they do. So, okay, so popping that there, lift down and a lift up flap, and then we've got our
smiley face,
which we're going to reorder, aren't we?
Yes, we would need to do that.
We did think that, didn't we? Get that sorted. Okay, next page. Right, expanding dumbbell as a closure. Belly band there, so you can tuck something in there if you want to. Let me find a piece of paper. That's it. Okay, so lift this one up. That lifts out. You've got a little walrus whisker. Tuck in there. She's done it the other way. And then you keep going. This is a long page. And then you've got decorative edges there and another tuck spot there with your belly band. So that is a nice, she was busy with this one. And I think
that's a mirror. I think that's a mirror.
I think she's mirrored it, so let's have a look. So open it up.
Towards you, Tad.
Towards me?
Yeah.
How's that? Okay, right. Oh, that's a nice little effect, isn't it? I like the colours in there. Next one.
That's it, move towards you, again towards you, that's it.
Okay, and then she's used the clever
that
strip.
way, because we can't see it, that's it, perfect.
The clever strip there. So, oh, I like that long page. It's difficult to film though, MaryAnn, but it's very nice. Okay, next one. We've got a walrus whisker tuck in, and then she's used the folio envelope here, which has gone in there. This one is a tuck in again, and she's used the front cover of the decorative papers for this one. Right. Can you see that okay? Am I in the middle?
Oh yes, I can see that, yeah.
I know you can see it.
Like, yeah. I looked through the lens, shall I?
Yes, yeah. Okay, so on here she's used the dumbbell, and she's popped that over there and over there, and she's got a tuck spot there and a little pocket there, and then she's got a blank piece here. You can pop anything you liked on there. And then here we've got a... I do like that chicken wire one as well, actually.
What about with this paper pad set?
It's one of them, yeah.
It grows on you.
It's like the bird watcher, because that's quite hard to work with, but then once I got started I thought, oh yes, I can do that.
I like the bird watcher because you can put quite a lot of plain stuff in there.
Yes. So straight slots there, that's from our set one. Straight pierce pocket slots. And that pops on there. And then on here we've got some more little flip flaps that lift up. These are the walrus ones again.
Yeah, you wouldn't know they were there, would you?
No. That's the whole point, isn't
Yeah,
it? Some of them
yeah,
you just
yeah.
want to. And then on here she's used, these ones here are the folio circles that she's used from the folio envelope. But we know you're fed up of cutting out only 2 out of each size, so we have amended that, and you will find something available soon. And then that's a larger pierced pocket slot.
And that one piece of strip that she's used?
Yep.
That one there?
Yes.
And it just breaks it up and just makes it,
Yeah.
it gives it an extra finish.
It does. So that's that there. And that's MaryAnn's Farmhouse album. Thank you very much. Thanks, MaryAnn.
Thank you, MaryAnn.